Hello， 大家好啦！咁今次片我終於都拍翻個 sell Squishy 片啦。其實我都唔知自己幾耐冇 sell 過 Squishy 啦。咁係啦，咁其實我會 sell 一半嘅 Squishy 咯，唔會 sell 晒咯。咁首先第一隻咧就會有呢隻啦。咁呢個就唔算 full of crash defect 嘅。咁其實保存得幾好啦。呢啲就間中練下咁嘅。咁咧佢就有個 package 啦。咁呢隻牌子咧，其實我唔知個牌子點讀咯。咁呢個我會 sell 翻佢35蚊啦，就有個 emoji 賓啦，咁就係我之前出邊買嘅，咁其實都唔係練過好多次嘅咋。咁呢個係 no crash defect 啦，因為我冇乜點練過啦，同埋呢一隻咧就 full of crash defect 就我打算做 extra 啦，跟住有條長啦，咁呢個 Squishy 就係好耐以前嗰隻嚟㗎。咁呢個唔算好貴啦，我買翻嚟35蚊嘅，咁有埋個 package 啦。咁有埋個波穿都唔識嘅，咁呢個就少少 defect 喺呢一啲位啫。咁就有呢一個嘅 Squishy 啦。咁呢個 Squishy 其實都係 crash defect 啦，我都唔知 sell 幾多價好啦。咁呢個 sell 翻佢6蚊啦，咁其實超級 Squishy 啦。係，我 sell 6蚊啦。如果你買多嘢嘅話，可能會做 extra 啦。我就 sell 翻8蚊嘅，咁就有兩個 face 賓嚟㗎啦。都係勁 soft 勁 Squishy， 有埋個電話繩喺度嘅，咁就 no crash defect 全新噶啦。之後就會有呢一嚿嘢，其實我都唔知呢個係正版定淘寶貨啦，但應該淘寶貨嚟嘅，因為呢度有呢一個字啦。咁係有 package 啦，個 package 好慘，不過而家就唔喺度啦。如果你要嘅話，可以俾翻你嘅。咁呢個就 full crash defect 啦，有埋個波 chain 咁。呢隻我 sell 翻佢15蚊，仲有呢個 face 賓啦，咁就可以做 extra。如果要話5蚊一隻，有少少皮啫，咁就 Squishy 嘅，唔算多 crash defect 咯，只係得咗皮咯，同埋我都 check 唔到啲咩 crash defect。聽下賓好似都係全新啦，咁係勁 soft 勁 Squishy， 好似有香味嘅。就入庫埋啦，個 package 咧我就唔知抌咗喺邊啦。咁幾 soft 幾 Squishy 嘅。咁係 full crash defect 啦，可能都會做 extra 嘅。之後仲有呢個咧，呢個真係完全絕晒版咯，喺我 friend 度買翻嚟啦，咁都唔平嘅。咁就有啲 crash defect 啦，唔算嚴重啦，係少少啫。咁都有回彈啦，呢隻就 sell 翻佢做60蚊啦，咁就有 crash 噶啦。咁呢個可能都做 extra， 如果你要嘅話就5蚊 sell 俾你啦。emoji 賓啦。咁呢個可能都做 extra 嘅，如果你單買嘅話就5蚊一隻啦。咁呢隻 Career Fish 其實都唔係幾想 sell 啦，不過唔緊要，我想 sell 埋出嚟，因為都唔想儲咁多 Squishy 喺屋企啦。因為而家我處於半退坑嘅，係啦。咁呢個係有 crash defect 啦，咁係好 Squishy 真係。咁呢個就 sell 翻佢做25蚊啦。呢個派出都係絕版貨嚟嘅，所以我會 sell 翻呢度有個 set 啦。呢個有 crash defect 嘅，係啊，唔記得講。呢個 no crash defect 嘅，呢個 crash defect 啦，都係超好練咯，真係。咁有埋回彈啦，之後呢度有呢個 face 賓全新嘅，都幾 Squishy 啦。呢個都係啦，呢個 emoji 賓啦，呢個就好似一個 Squishy， 好似 no crash defect 啦。有埋個 package， 咁呢一個 set 就 sell 翻佢15蚊啦，其實呢個好少啦，呢個 set。呢個 Squishy 係有 crash defect 嘅。都係真係有回彈咯。咁我唔知呢個 report 定 no report 啦，因為我真係唔識分咩係 report 咩係 no report 嘅。咁正版啦，正版呢個入邊係有字㗎啦，係啦，個 tag 係咁嘅。咁有波穿防塵室，咁就係冇 package 啦。咁呢個就會 sell 翻佢做22蚊啦。咁仲有3個賓要 sell 啦，咁之前都有嘅，咁係全新啦，個 package 係勁好啦。呢個勁 soft 勁 Squishy 就係呢個女仔嘅版本嚟㗎啦，之後呢個男仔嘅版本超 soft 超 Squishy 啦，之後仲有呢個新嘅版本，咁就有少少發亮嘅，因為呢個係字貼啦。咁呢個字貼咧，我就 sell 翻佢6蚊啦，或者做 extra 咁送俾人嘅。呢一個咧就會 sell 翻8蚊一隻啦，DIY shop 之前好似12蚊一隻。另外仲有2隻細唔係細normal size 啦。咁好新好 Squishy 啦，咁呢個新嚟款，呢個就男仔款嚟嘅。咁呢個咧就 sell 翻6蚊一隻，退坑之中嘅。咁我哋下條片再見啦，拜拜。